Remember, I always tell you guys to do your under eye the last, because leaving a concealer here for longer period. Hello everyone, so I'm here with a new video which is about how I am going to cover my dark circle with a no makeup look. Sorry. This I received this question on my recent videos, one of my recent videos, and somebody said that they have hyperpigmentation and they don't know how to do the no makeup look. I know, because I struggle with it as well. As when you have dark circles, you definitely don't know how to, like, how can you hide your dark circles but not do too much makeup. So when you see other videos, it is like first you apply a lot of foundation even on your under eyes, then you apply concealer on top, and that's how you hide your dark circles or hyperpigmentation. But this is not the case. Like, I don't think that doing a full coverage makeup is the only solution. I went through this problem as well, because I had dark circles and I knew that if I want to hide them I have to do a lot of makeup. So I used to just go out with my dark circles, wear my glasses, my sunglasses, because I wanted to hide them. This is like my insecurity, my imperfection, and I did not like to show it, because when people see it they're like, ooh, what happened to you? Honestly, that they just look at you really crazily. So yes, then now I know how to do it, like a no makeup look, but you can hide all of your dark circles. So for that, I am going to give you two suggestions. First suggestion is to use a color corrector, and the other is without using a color corrector. So I will do half of my face, this side of my face with a color corrector, and this side of my face without using a color corrector. So for this side, I am taking my e.l.f. Camo Color Corrector in orange. I've already done all of my skincare. I'm not going to apply a lot of it. And on this side of face, I am going to use a deeper concealer. I have said it again and again that if you don't want to use a color corrector, go ahead and use a deeper concealer. Apply a very small amount, not a lot of this as well, or on this side as well, on my forehead. I will apply wherever I apply my color correctors. Now I will leave all of this for like about 10 to 20 seconds, so that, you know, if you leave your any concealer under your eyes or your color corrector for this amount of time, they will become a little more, because they dry a little, so they get a little more full coverage. So I will just leave it for like 10-ish seconds and then I will come back. Now I will blend this with my finger. The best way to blend anything is with finger, because the warmth of your fingers melt the products. And because this is a no makeup look, I have taken a little, like, minimal amount of product that I could, because I don't want it to look like too much makeup on my face, like too much product on my face, to be very honest. Okay, this part is done, so let's blend this. I will blend this with my finger as well to show you guys easy way. So firstly, for this side, the color corrector side, I am going to use a concealer that matches my skin tone like perfectly. And for that, I am taking this, the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in shade 40 Caramel. This is my skin tone, like, not, if not like exactly, this is very close to my skin. I will apply it on the inner corner like this way. Don't apply it full, like it will be otherwise too much product. And then I will take it and apply it on the side as well. So this is how much I apply, because this is a no makeup look and there's nothing else going on. My forehead as well. Remember, if you don't have any hyperpigmentation on your forehead or around your mouth, you don't need to do these steps. I'm doing it because I have it all over on my forehead and around my mouth, so you can just only do the under eyes. And blend the forehead. Remember, I always tell you guys to do your under eye the last, because leaving a concealer here for longer period will make it more full coverage. Do you see this? Completely covered it as well. Okay, now let's go ahead with my under eye. Just blend, keep like dabbing motion, like dab, dab, dab. Don't swipe it. Always, I always say this. Now just dab it from here and stop in the middle, because you're bringing a product from here to down there. So just stop here. Now take this side, start blending and bring it down. to the middle like this. So you have covered it evenly from both sides. So you guys can see that this side is completely done, and you cannot see like any darkness, any hyperpigmentation. I've not applied anything on my eyelid because when I do a no makeup look, I leave my eyelid like this. It looks like I already have a smoky thing going on. So this is what it is, and you can see that instantly it has covered all of my hyperpigmentation. And also I have not applied any foundation, anything else. This is all that there is, and it has done the magic already. So let me just go ahead and set this side first, and then I will go ahead with this side. To set, you can take a loose powder or a compact powder. If you decide to take a loose powder, then opt for a translucent powder. I have this Makeup Revolution lace baking powder. It was a baking powder. It is all rubbed off from here. This is how much I love it. But this is really good. Yes, it's a loose baking powder. I don't bake with it. I just set my under eyes. But this is really good as well if you want to buy it. It is very budget friendly. It was only $5.99. Let's set this. So I just take a little powder on my brush and I just tap it there. Tap, 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 so that no product is moving from underneath my eye. A little powder, and apply it on your forehead, then apply it on your, like the side of your mouth. This part is perfectly done. Now you can apply a blush over here if you want a contour, a blush. You can do whatever you want. This is your playground. If you want to apply an eyeliner, do that, a mascara. It's all up to you. But this, like covering your hyperpigmentation with a no makeup look, that part is done. Let me just finish this part first. Like, let me show you how I do this part, and then we will go ahead with the blush on and all that options for a no makeup look. Okay, so coming on this part now, we have already like color corrected our dark circles. Like, we've used a deeper concealer over here. So now what we need to do is we need to like kind of make it not like right now it's looking very dark, my under eyes and all that. So obviously I can't go out like this. You can tell that I have something on there. So I'm just going to make it look like I don't have like any makeup on. So let's do that. For that, I'm going to take, like previously, I took a deeper concealer, which was like 2 to 3 shades deeper than my skin tone. Now I'm going to take a lighter concealer, which is 2 to 3 shades lighter than my skin tone. The deeper one was this, the L'Oreal Infallible More Than Concealer in Honey 338. It will be mentioned in the description box below as well. And the lighter one is the same L'Oreal Infallible 24 Hour Wear, which is in the shade Cashew 329. So this is like 2 to 3 shades lighter than my skin tone. You can see as well, it is very light. So what I'm going to do now is, to balance everything out, is take the lighter concealer and just put like a little dab here. Not a lot. We're not going to apply a lot because it is a lighter concealer. It is not going to match our skin tones. It will make it look lighter. A little here, just a teeny bit of dot here where I applied this, and then 2 dots on my forehead. I don't want to do a lot. If you think that this is not enough, then you can go ahead and apply a little more. Plus, these concealers are very full coverage. So even if you apply a little goes a long way. For this, I will be taking the foundation brush, not the brush that I blended the concealer with here, because I want to like spread the whole concealer. So first, let's go ahead with this part. Remember, I'm still dabbing it. I'm not rubbing it. I'm still like pressing it, beating it down. So you see, it like instantly balanced it out. So let's go ahead I'm just starting to blend it here and take it up a little, okay, towards my under eye and my nose area. Then come here, do the same, and just, you know, keep blending it, keep blending it, keep blending it. Keep it here mostly, but now that there's no product there, then take it on your under eye, because we don't need a lot of product under your eyes. Now the forehead, start beating it out as well. Whatever is left on the brush, I'm applying it on my nose. So this is done as well. Can you see? I've blended it all, like the forehead, everything, and it's still not giving me like any gray vibes or anything like that. Let me just fix it as well, like with a powder. I'm taking the same powder that I did before. this is also concealed. Like there is not much difference in both the sides, just a little bit. Like this is not that highlighted and this is a little highlighted because we used a highlighter concealer. You can make this highlighted, but both of the ways are right. If you want to go ahead with the color corrector and the concealer that matches your skin tone, that is right as well. If you want to go this route, this is easy, and this is right as well, like a deeper concealer and a lighter concealer. So both of these are perfect. You just need to find your balance, like how much lighter concealer you need to apply to match the deeper concealer. That's the main thing. Don't apply a lot, otherwise it will be like too fair for your skin, but just balance it out kind of. This is how I normally do it. Like for example, when I go for a school run, when I go to buy groceries or things like that, this is normally what I do. I just apply 2 products and I am done and dusted. For now, I will tell you, like, if you want to apply a blush, how can you do that? I will give you 2 options. Like one is like applying a simple blush, which is like I take this, you can take any blush, whatever you want. I take this powder blush. Or on the other hand, what you can do is you can take a lipstick or a liquid. Like if you have a liquid blush, then it's perfect as well. But if not, then you can take a liquid, like your lipstick, any kind of lipstick, and just apply 2 dots and just blend it with your fingers, and that will give you the perfect blush as well. For now, I will just take this blush. What I do is that I take it on the brush like this, okay, and then I take the back of my hand and I just bash it here, because I don't want a lot of blush if I'm doing a no makeup look. See, it came off on my hand. Now just go ahead and just tap it here like a little, and it will give you kind of nice blush cheeks, but not too much. Like it will look like a no makeup look, but nice. I'm taking more from my hand and applying it on this side. See, it gave me a perfect like blushed feeling, but without applying too much blush. Now, because we are doing a no makeup look, and for a no makeup look, I am considering that you don't need much of a lipstick there as well. Take a red lipstick, whatever you have. I opt for a red one because I like more pink lips rather than more like nude lips. So take a red lipstick and just apply it on your lips like this, on top as well, and start bashing it. Like just pat, 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 and keep spreading it on your lips like this. And there you go. The level of blush, like the pinkness that you want on your lips, is up to you. If you want to apply a little more lipstick, you can go ahead and do that. If you want to apply a lipstick altogether, like a complete lipstick, you can do that. But I prefer to keep it like this because it really shows that you're not wearing much makeup. Yeah, so this was it. Like, how easy was it? If you want, you can completely do this. Like, this is my everyday thing. It takes me, like, this is a video, so it takes me long. But otherwise, it literally takes me minutes, like 5 to 10 minutes in the morning, and I'm done. Literally like 5 minutes. Yes, this is how I do it. Now let me tell you that which side do I prefer. So for me, I prefer the deep concealer and the light concealer side, like this side, because this is very easy in the morning. I don't want to worry about in the morning or in a rush when I'm going out. I don't want to worry about hiding the color corrector underneath my concealer and all that. So this is why I prefer this side. You don't have to buy the same product or the same like number of the concealer. You can buy whatever concealer you want. Just remember, whatever your skin tone is, like whatever concealer or foundation suits you the most, or exactly closer to your skin tone, just get a concealer that is 2 shades darker than your skin tone. And why concealer? Because concealers are full coverage. It will definitely give you a very full coverage look. These concealers I prefer because these are very full coverage. A little, like I apply just a little and it can cover a lot of area. So this was it, guys. This is how I do my no makeup look, and I hope you like it. This is how I cover my hyperpigmentation, my dark circles on regular day-to-day basis on a no makeup look. I hope you like it. If you think I brought something to the table, then please do go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Also, do give me a big thumbs up. Please do comment below. And yes, this is it. I will see you in the next video very soon. Till then, take care, stay safe, stay happy, and stay connected. Bye bye. Love you.